Hey, Miner Minions. We're back with another video with my original partner, Red Wolf.
Yay!
Okay, so, yeah, press. Okay, so today we're going to be playing Minecraft together. It's going to be amazing. No, best. I want to be the very best, but no one ever was. Subscribers.
Alright.
Best subscribers ever. Great world. Join, please.
Is your thing on?
Hey, let me check the options. Yeah, it's on.
No. Is your internet on?
Yeah.
Turn it on and then back off. You turn it off and... No, not any Wi-Fi, not any Wi-Fi.
Hey, you're here. And you're in the sky. Not anymore. Hi.
Okay, so, what are we gonna do?
Well, obviously we're going to, like, get some supplies, so.
Follow me.
Dude, there's some good stuff over here, too.
You go, I'll get the wood, you just go and kill some animals or something.
Okay.
Go find a nice spot to build a house.
You want it in the water?
Yeah. Right there's good, right there's perfect. Nice escape stream. Oh, no, let's not live there, but let's use a boat and we'll float down the stream to find an ocean.
Okay, we'll go different ways. Actually, we could get in the same boat, but it looks like there's an ocean over there.
Okay, then you know what, we should just walk it. Let's not even waste wood. Come on, let's go over there. So you gonna come over here?
Yeah, I'm coming with you. Ah, my hands are greasy. Nasty.
I can dance. I'm a good dancer.
No. Oh yeah, my skin is Goku. That's awesome. And my name for Minecraft is Goku. So.
I'm Naruto.
Yeah, he's like the old Naruto, even though I thought he was Charlie Brown at first.
It's not the old one. The old one has the orange suit. This one's the hoodie. When he's super small, I mean, that's Goku's.
Super Naruto! Ah! My controls are glitchy. It looks like there's a river down here, or I mean an ocean, but I don't think it is.
Alright. So, are we gonna build a big house, or do you want to just build a shelter?
We should upgrade it, like,
Everyone's 2 stories, so there's more room.
Yeah.
Because last time we had to put the stuff in the ground.
Yeah. And do you want bottom floor or top?
I want top.
Okay.
You don't know I want bottom floor.
Okay, I'm gonna make myself a little balcony at the top then. You could come up too if you want. Like,
no, I'm gonna make the whole house, bro. You just need to like
mine.
Yeah, you're gonna be the miner and the butcher.
Okay.
I'll be the fisher.
Alright.
But have the same jobs like last time.
Okay.
So you should go and get some wheat seeds for me so we can start a farm like right when we build the house. We'll just get 8. That's all we need.
Get 8?
Yeah, 8.
Look, I found a sheep.
Sorry, my voice sounds weird, guys. It's just I'm a little sick.
Yeah, we're all a little sick. Ooh, I found 3 sheep.
Really?
2 of them are babies, though.
Oh. Come here.
Coming.
I've got a sword for you.
Yay.
And a pickaxe.
Okay, I got some wheat seeds.
How many?
1.
Oh, so no. Another one. Hey, come here, hold on. Hey, look at me. No, that'd be copyright. I was gonna say, what's it called? A quote. But, see, that would be copyright. We got time for that. Oh, the sheep's growing over there, dude. There's a black sheep right there. Kill it.
My pleasure. No. I'm just kidding. I'm not racist. Hey, look. 2 of them are grown. They both grew. They're like,
yeah, hey, these guys want to kill us. Let's grow so they will kill us. Yeah!
Let's grow it. so they could kill us.
They're like, on me.
Is that when you? Oh, okay, it did drop wool. Okay, here.
They always drop a roll, no matter what.
Here's some wool. I'm just
No,
gonna.
keep the wool. Keep the wool. I don't want the wool. You keep it.
But you have the wood.
Okay, fine. Drop it. Put it
On the dirt. No dirt. There you go.
I like how it's all different colors.
That mama sheep didn't raise very good boys. No. If they were all different colors, that might have been a niece. Or,
A cousin?
yeah.
A brother? No. Uncle or something.
Yeah, or an aunt. Or an aunt.
Auntie?
Auntie, why can't I go to school today? That's French. Or not French,
French,
it's British.
My God. I wonder why you do that in school.
Hey, don't tell them about my school. Okay, shut up. Jeez, you're so loud.
Oh my God.
What?
You.
Me what?
You're so loud.
They said I do good in school, they said. They said I want to die, they said. Okay, I'm on the search again. Going on a search again. I already
They
got
laughed
2
at me
weeks.
when I came to homecoming by myself. I laughed when they never came home.
Oh! That's a meme.
You don't say. Yeah, don't say.
I do say it.
I said.
Yeah, hey, away.
Yeet.
You just try to run into me, trying to make me hit you.
Yep. That's the plan.
Okay, come here. Okay, I got 4 wheat seeds.
You just keep on doing some.
But
Keep
I
on
don't
getting it.
want.
You know what I mean? Yeah, I know what I mean.
I don't know what you mean.
Alright.
It takes forever to get wheat seeds.
What time is it?
My battery's low, and it doesn't really say. Wait, what? Okay.
So we'll just stop when we find our house location, and then we'll make another episode.
Okay, so 2:35, and apparently we started at 2:20. What does that calculate?
2:20 what?
2:25. It's 2:35, and we started at 2:26.
So we are in 9 minutes.
Okay.
Around there. Alright, dude, come find me, because I'm about ready.
Wait, isn't mobs on?
I don't know.
Is your difficulty off?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's keep it off until we get a good house location.
Okay, my axe broke, so we need to go. I got plenty of wood.
Okay, I got 8 wheat seeds.
8?
Yep.
Oh my God, I have all the wood, dude. You got 8?
Yeah.
Alright. Just toss that in there.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. I got 4 stacks and
Yeet.
I got 24. Alright. Take your sword and follow me.
On the road again.
Just follow the string.
We're so quiet.
Oh, sorry. Dude, you just hit me. What the heck, man?
I didn't hit you. You
Oh,
fell.
okay. I found some sheep.
We don't need no sheep.
How many wool did you get?
3.
Trying to escape in.